Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on blocking people on Facebook. I'll be doing this from mobile, but if you're on desktop, the process is the same. Let's get started. Open up Facebook and find the profile of the person you want to block. Once you are looking at their profile, tap on the More button underneath their name. Now tap on Block, and on the next page tap on Block again. They will now be blocked from seeing your profile anywhere on Facebook, as well as contacting you on Messenger. I'll just quickly repeat the blocking process one more time for you. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.